I've combined two viral foods on the internet right now. This is doner kebab salt bread. Salt bread is a Japanese style soft buttery bread roll that's filled with butter, and as the butter melts inside, it creates a lovely caramelized crispy bottom. I filled mine with roasted garlic butter, onions, leftover doner and mozzarella. It's a 10 out of 10 combination. You need to try it. Here's how to make it. Start by making the roasted garlic butter. Roast a whole bulb of garlic, then mix it with room temperature butter, parsley and a pinch of salt. Roll it up in baking paper and pop it in the fridge so it can firm up. For the dough, I adapted Erin's Cozy Kitchen's recipe. I'm from the UK, so cake flour is hard to find here. As a substitute, I used plain flour mixed with corn flour to lower the protein and make the rolls fluffier. Mix that with bread flour, yeast, sugar, milk powder. Give it a mix, then pour in cold water and add salt. You can knead the dough by hand, but I recommend using a machine because of the corn flour, it takes a while. My stand mixer took over 40 minutes and I know that's ridiculously long. If you can't be bothered to knead for that long, you can leave out the corn flour, but it's worth including it because it makes the rolls so soft and fluffy. Full ingredients and method will be on my Substack. Start kneading the dough on a low speed, and once it looks shaggy, add in cold cubes of butter, then increase the speed to medium. The dough should be tacky but not too sticky. You'll know it's done when it passes the window pane test. Tear off a little piece, roll it into a ball and stretch it slowly until you can see light through it without it tearing. If it tears, keep kneading. Add the smooth dough to a bowl, cover and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. Punch it down, give it a quick knead, then divide it into 12 balls. Cover again and let them rest until they puff up. Thinly slice half an onion, cut your garlic butter and mozzarella into chunks. Roll each ball into a tadpole shape, then flatten it out. Dust it with flour if it's too sticky. On the wide end, add the garlic butter, a few onions, the doner and mozzarella. Roll it up tightly, don't worry if the sides are open. Place them seam side down and let it rise again. Place them on a non-stick baking tray. This is super important because it helps to create that crispy bottom as the butter melts. If your tray isn't non-stick, use baking spray or baking paper, but baking paper won't give you the same effect. Spray a generous amount of water on them, then sprinkle with crushed sea salt. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Brush them with melted garlic butter, and that's it. Not really easy peasy lemon squeezy, but it's worth the effort.